Greetings, everyone. I am here today with my niece, Keira. If you watched my first video where she did my makeup, you might remember her. A few months ago, I did a do-it-yourself perfume kit. That did not go very well. Today, we are going to be doing a do-it-yourself tinted lip kit. And since this is made for children, we're going to see if a child can actually figure it out. So it comes with 1 gel pen, 5 lip balm tubes, 1 bag of wax chips, 1 shea butter, 1 jojoba oil, 4 mica powder colorants, 1 vanilla flavoring dropper, 1 measuring cup, 2 plastic spoons, 4 wooden sticks, 6 adhesive lip balm tube labels, 3 recipe cards, and easy to follow instructions, which we have. We have the instructions. Wow, they are really easy looking anyway. What you need: lip balm tube, wax chip, shea butter, jojoba oil, fragrance drops, mica powder, measuring cup, wooden stirring stick, measuring spoon, gel pen, lip balm label. Step 1. With measuring spoon provided in the kit, mix 2½ scoops of shea butter, 1½ scoops of jojoba oil, and 20 pieces of wax chips into your measuring cup.
So we are going to need the tiny cup,
measuring cup,
a wooden stick.
Okay, let's just get right to it.
Yes.
All right, we need 2½ scoops of the shea butter. And then we need...
This good?
Yeah. Use one of the mixing spoons to...
Stick?
Yes, mixing stick. 1½ scoops of jojoba oil.
And mostly the reason why I'm not showing you what I'm doing now because they already saw it.
Can I take it down into there? Ugh.
This is like very waxy. Just gonna put this into the box.
And then 20 pieces of wax chips.
Can I put it in the box?
Yep.
Chips.
1. And that line is over here. Okay. It looks like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, now we have to microwave it for 1 to 2
Can I start?
minutos. I'm just trying to get it all in there.
You could have just used this stick.
It's fine.
Okay, so we are back. Do I have to put in the...
There's 1 wax chip left in there that didn't melt properly. I just said that if that happens, to put it in for another 30 seconds, but I'm just going to take it out.
Okay. So,
Now we have to add...
the powder?
3 drops of the vanilla.
Okay, I picked this powder.
1, 2, 3.
I want this powder.
And then 1 scoop. Let me open that.
No, it's just a
1
plastic
scoop
baggie. I'm gonna do that.
of
scoop.
mica powder.
There's
She
still
chose
stuff
the
in here.
color pink. No. Oh, shoot. They're both dirty, aren't they?
Here, I'm just gonna wipe it out real quick.
Hurry while this is still hot.
Okay,
So
so
we
put
have
that in.
the pink mica powder. And now
You gotta
mix
mix
it
it.
quickly. Mix it quickly.
And then
it
you have
says.
to get it into the tube. And then I get to put the sticker on it and name it. Matter if I think it's done.
Alright, now we're going to pour it into the tube. We made sure that it's turned all the way down.
And there's so much tape on this stuff. And we hate tape. But try to open this somehow. Wait here. So they have...
There we go.
Isn't there supposed to be more?
Yeah, it's supposed to be filling it up.
There's probably gonna be like a big gap in it.
Mm-hmm. Well, we've learned better for the next time.
Yes.
Purple is my favorite color.
So we can try to find like a purplish color if you want next. Beautiful flower. I tried to spell it as nice as I could.
There's 1.5 scoops. Do one more. One more Scoopy. A Scooby-Doo.
I wish I could do the vanilla this time, but I bet.
Okay, well you can do the vanilla this time.
Nice.
Do you want to do the jojoba oil since I did the shea butter?
Sure.
We'll put it into this same one and save the other scooper for the color. Alright. Jojoba oil to make your lips nice and soft. Let's do
Got it. It's one of those.
warm red next.
Okay, so
You do 1.5 scoops. Do you want to count out the wax strips again? Or I can do it.
you do it. But then I put it in the microwave. I have these beautiful chips.
Alright, go stick this in the microwave and press the number 2.
Okay.
My baby has a bellyache. I love you. Fun fact, Snickers and Keira are the same age.
Yay! We're both 8.
Alright, pour it in. And then 3 drops of the vanilla. One, 2, 3. Now open up a tube.
I feel like we will get it this time.
This is hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Well, that filled up. That actually worked really well.
Yeah, this one seems to have worked a lot better than the first one. I think we had taken too long.
Yes.
Let's keep it standing for now while it hardens.
I'm gonna check on this one. These are some chips, 100% whole grain, and they are garden salsa. And they're really good. Okay.
It's right there. It's almost kind of orangey. I'm sure it'll be different once it's actually settled into the tube though.
I got the stuff already scooped up.
The shea butter,
Meredith, like
2.5.
No, Meredith, with the extra, just like scrape it on the sides.
Well, it's supposed to be 2.5 scoops anyway. So it's easier to just get a scoop and then half of it on top. Alright, jojoba oil. And the frickin' chips. They kind of look like white chocolate chips, but I don't like white chocolate, so.
And also, you
not gonna
never
eat it.
feed them
2,
to a dog or
3.
anything.
Okie dokie. Let's pour in the red mica powder, which is lighter than the pink, mind you. 3 drops of vanilla. 1, 2. Okay, that's 3.
Yes.
And stir, 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 stir. Making a big mess all over my expensive coffee table.
Oh, we did it! Third one, complete and not a disaster.
We have 2 more tubes.
And there's only 4 colors, so we can mix. We can do like a half of the colors and another half and combine 2 colors.
Alright, let's try to do this in hyper speed because I'm getting really bored.
Okay, this one is called Wonderful Violet.
Wonderful Violet. Wonderful Violet. All right, 1.5 scoops of shea butter. All right, I'm adding in a bunch of nude mica powder. They said that you could add more if you want it to be a little more colorful. For our last one, we will mix a whole bunch of stuff together.
Yes.
Should we add Red Bull? I'm kidding.
I put down Flower Love.
Let's go microwave. Ugh. Ugh. Vanilla pink. Or we can just try to make a really pigmented pink one. That's what we'll do. A really pigmented pink one. And then our last one, we will mix them all together.
I got 2 makeup wipes.
Wipe off our lipstick. There we
Doing
go. Name this one Piggy Pink. Piggy for pigmented. Because I added like 3 scoops of the mica powder. So Piggy Pink. Pigmented pink. Okay, so we still have a lot left over. And since I keep all of my empty products, I have this Burt's Bees lip balm. And I'm gonna try to scrape out the rest of the lip balm that's in here. I'm pretty much just gonna shove everything that's left. So the rest of the shea butter, I'll call it my Franken balm. The rest of the wax chips. There. Okay, we're gonna pour in the rest of the vanilla. Red mica powder. Nude mica powder.
This is going
Red mica powder. I need to act fast though. Oh man, I threw away all of the stirring tools. Give me this. We'll wash it off.
How am I supposed to spell ED? No, Meredith, there's one right there.
Lipstick pen. I'm gonna pour this in this old Burt's Bees tube.
Ooh, there's one last one left.
It's actually a very similar color to the one that was in here. Alright, which one are you gonna try on? I think I'm gonna try on Piggy Pink. The extra pigmented pink one.
I want to try on. I want to do Flower Love.
Alright, we have Flower Love, Wonderful Violet, Ready Red, Beautiful Flower, and Piggy Pink. Oh, and then Franken balm. Alright, finish your sun chips and let's try these on. I got my Piggy Pink.
I got my Flower Love.
I'm gonna swatch it first.
Look how good this
Falling
looks.
apart a little bit. Yeah, it does look good. Remember, they're just tinted lip balms, so they're not gonna be like super pigmented. Get in the camera. It's a little drier than I expected it to be.
I really like this one. It's like a teensy bit dry, but like it's really good. Try it.
This one feels better than the other one did. It does have a tint to it, I can tell. I like it.
I like this one better.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Our video.
Subscribe, like this video, and go look at my other ones too. Thanks. Bye.